Hello and welcome to Leisure Pools, the world's largest manufacturer of fiberglass composite swimming pools. With manufacturing facilities in Australia and the United States, they supply pools to Australia, the Asia Pacific region, the Americas and right throughout Europe. In this presentation, we'll provide you with some vital information on the processes and cutting-edge technology behind their pools to ensure you feel confident that you're investing your money wisely in not only a beautiful pool, but also a top-quality product that will literally last a lifetime. It's Leisure Pools' drive for design excellence and technological advancement that sets them apart from others to ensure that you get the best possible pool available. You'll also learn more about the differences in a Leisure Pools fiberglass composite swimming pool and why their patented Composite Armour can give you complete peace of mind and a lifetime structural warranty. With many years operating in the swimming pool industry, Leisure Pools is a company that is constantly moving forward to ensure their customers have a technologically superior product and one that is the most beautifully designed. Leisure Pools Director Kerry Payne has been at the forefront of the swimming pool industry for many years. Kerry, why do you think it's important that customers feel confident in the product they're buying?
Oh, I think it's very important. I think it's absolutely essential that they feel confident in the product. Everything that you do after the pool is installed is dependent on that pool shell being structurally sound and long-lasting. All of your landscaping, your paving, your concreting, your gazebos, your decking, your water features, everything is dependent on that pool shell lasting. It stands to reason that if you were building a house, you'd want to be absolutely sure that the foundations were adequate. And the same thing applies to a pool installation. To choose an inferior product at that point there would put everything else that you do at risk. We use the very best materials you can get. We use the latest technology you can get. We constantly test our product. Our quality control is the best in the industry, and that's why we can give people a lifetime structural warranty.
What can customers expect from a Leisure Pool swimming pool?
Well, I think when they come to Leisure Pools, they'll probably see the best range of swimming pools in the industry. All our designs are very modern. I know that some manufacturers are bringing out designs that have been out for 30 years. Not so with us. We've invested very heavily in new designs. We have a design, a shape that will probably fit most households and most families, and we've got a great range of colours to go with it.
It's the changing face of technology in fiberglass manufacturing that has Leisure Pools at the forefront of the industry. So let's explore a little more the process involved in making your pool. Fiberglass swimming pool technology has progressed dramatically in the last decade, but Leisure Pools have found a way to take that product into the next stage of its development. Through cutting-edge technology and exciting research and development initiatives, the standards of fiberglass will now be reset with Leisure Pools at the helm. Leading this exciting new phase for the product is Company Director David Payne. David, what's Leisure Pools doing to make a great product even better?
Well, Leisure Pools has never been satisfied with just building a good fiberglass composite swimming pool. After many years of continued research and development, we feel that we have now developed what we consider to be the world's best fiberglass composite swimming pool. So much so that on each of our swimming pools we offer a lifetime structural warranty and we offer a lifetime structural osmosis warranty, which by and large is better than any other warranty on the market today.
And what's different, I guess, from a Leisure Pool swimming pool than the rest of the market?
Well, I would put it down to 4 elements. The first element being our new patented Composite Armour technology. We call it our core of strength. Our second element is that we have our patent pending full vinyl Ester resin constructed swimming pool. Our third element is we have our Composite Armour step technology, and finally exceptional quality control, which we feel leads the industry.
Well, let's look at those key elements individually. Tell me about the patented Composite Armour.
This patented new technology is designed to significantly reinforce the pool with a strategically integrated laminate that consists of a blend of high-performance fibres, which include DuPont Kevlar, carbon fibre, basalt fibre. Now, we call these 3 elements our core of strength. Well, DuPont Kevlar is used in bulletproof vests, body armour, military vehicles, wind turbines, even the aerospace industry. With carbon fibre and basalt fibres, they're also used in the aerospace industry as well as on high-performance vehicles. By using Composite Armour in the swimming pool laminate, we've been able to achieve tremendous improvements in both flexural and tensile strengths.
Why is it important to have the flexural and tensile strengths?
Well, as you well know, of recent we've had incredible environmental changes with in one year we're having floods, in other years we're having droughts. Now that has an incredible effect on the ground. Obviously with a flood the ground swells, and with a drought the ground contracts. So anything installed in the ground, such as a swimming pool, is exposed to incredible stresses in the ground. Now with the development of our Composite Armour technology, we are reinforcing our pool in such a way to provide improved flexural and tensile strengths to better handle that ground movement that the swimming pool is exposed to.
To get an appreciation for these strength properties, we've run a simulated test to show the difference between an industry standard fiberglass pool and a Leisure Pool's Composite Armour swimming pool. The Leisure Pool's Composite Armour swimming pool showed substantial flexural and tensile strength properties over a standard fiberglass swimming pool. The second key element that you referred to was the full vinyl Ester resin construction. A bit of a mouthful.
Absolutely, but it's not that bad. Look, in simple terms, fiberglass swimming pools are traditionally made up of a number of layers. The first layer is the gel coat colour. The second layer is a corrosive resistant vinyl ester resin layer with fiberglass. The third layer is a polyester resin with fiberglass, and the fourth layer is a polyester resin finishing layer. Now, one of the key layers that has been introduced over the last 20 plus years has been the use of a corrosive resistant vinyl ester resin layer. Now, vinyl ester resin is a high performance resin. It provides improved structural properties, but most of all, it assists in the prevention of water penetration into the laminate, commonly referred to as osmosis. Traditionally, swimming pool manufacturers have only used vinyl ester resin as one layer of the swimming pool, as vinyl ester, unfortunately, is traditionally a very expensive resin compared to the cheaper resins such as the polyester resin, which is used to bulk up the laminate.
So how has this traditional construction method fared?
Well, unfortunately, even with this one layer of vinyl ester resin, osmosis has still on occasion appeared, and swimming pools on occasion have failed. This may well be because of a couple of reasons. One, a manufacturer may not have used enough vinyl ester resin given its cost, or alternatively it could simply be an operator issue where they just have not sprayed enough vinyl ester resin onto the pool, as they're only doing it as one layer.
And what are the layers in our leisure pool swimming pool?
Well, we're a little bit different to the traditional method. We have 6 layers to our swimming pool. The first layer is the gel coat colour layer. The second layer is the vinyl ester resin corrosive resistant structural layer. The third layer is another vinyl ester resin corrosive resistant structural layer. Our fourth layer is our patented Composite Armour core of strength. Our fifth layer is again another vinyl ester corrosive resistant structural layer, and finally our sixth layer is a vinyl ester corrosive resistant sealing barrier. Now, not only are these more layers adding to the strength and structural integrity of the pool, but each layer in the process has been strengthened by the use of vinyl ester resin. Leisure Pools has taken this course of action in order to offer the following amazing benefits. Number one, vinyl ester resin provides improved structural strength properties. This has enabled Leisure Pools to offer a stronger pool and therefore offer a lifetime structural warranty. Secondly, by constructing all layers after the gel coat with vinyl ester resin, Leisure Pools is able to offer a lifetime structural osmosis warranty, which those two warranties combined are the best on the market.
The third element you were speaking about was the Composite Armour step technology.
Yes, well, we believe that when you step into a swimming pool or sit on the bench of a swimming pool, you need to have that solid feeling underneath. Now, with traditional fiberglass pools, they've had the advantage of flexibility, but this has been a disadvantage when it comes to the steps and benches. So what we've been able to do with our Composite Armour step technology is that we've been able to strengthen those areas in such a way to reduce deflection so that you have that solid feeling underneath.
There would be a huge benefit in having that feeling of a solid foundation.
Absolutely. When you're walking in and out of that swimming pool, you want to feel solidness underfoot.
The fourth element on how leisure pools can offer a lifetime structural warranty and a lifetime osmosis warranty comes down to their internal quality control procedures. Unfortunately, these days, the word quality is often misused. So let's catch up with Technical Manager Dr. Rogers, who will demonstrate how they ensure that every leisure pool swimming pool is of top quality. Being a polymer chemist, how do you guarantee the quality of leisure pool products?
Well, I think it's critical that we test the resin first when it comes into the manufacturing plant. It's the resin that's used to manufacture the pools. Then after the pools are manufactured, I think it's critically important that we also test the quality of the product by a range of tests afterwards. I think the range of test equipment we have available here at Leisure Pools is the most comprehensive range of equipment that's available at any pool manufacturing company in the world.
Some of the tests undertaken at the Leisure Pool Technical Centre include flexural and tensile strength test, cure percentage tests of each layer, barcoal hardness testing, boil testing of laminates, burn testing of laminates. Leisure Pools weighs all materials to ensure correct quantities have been applied to each swimming pool and use an ultrasonic thickness testing device to test the swimming pools in multiple key locations to ensure compliance against the Leisure Pools benchmark. Leisure Pools is the only company to have invested heavily into this level of quality control, but it allows them to offer a lifetime warranty. With this continual research, development, testing and monitoring, it's easy to see why a Leisure Pool swimming pool is the perfect choice. Now that we've given you the full story, let's take a quick look at the comparisons. First, we look at who can offer a true lifetime structural warranty on the shell of the pool. Then we test our pools over others by way of their resistance to osmosis. Then we gauge who has taken this standard to the next level with the modification of a full vinyl ester product showing superior strength and durability. Then of course, the obvious advantage of the addition of patented Composite Armour technology. So what this all means for you as a new owner of a leisure pool swimming pool is that not only do you get the pool of your dreams, but you can also rest easy knowing there's an entire team along with superior product development and research that goes into making your pool the strongest and longest lasting on the market. For more information, just go to the Leisure Pools website or contact your local dealer.